Lake Hopatcong. It's a beautiful Monday afternoon in November. My wife wanted to come out into nature because she wasn't feeling all there mentally. And so we're here, out in nature. My son is in school. And you know what they say, if you're not feeling all there mentally and you're going through some struggles, getting out into nature, getting some fresh air, going for a walk is some of the best medicine. And I'd have to wholeheartedly agree. Let us all get out into nature and take in Mother Nature's medicine. Sending you guys lots of love. Peace.